Hello, everyone. My name is Maria Lipneva, and I'm a FWO postdoctoral fellow at the Ghent Center for Buddhist Studies in Ghent University in Belgium. And today I'd like to introduce a tool that I'm using for converting traditional Chinese dates into the Western calendar. First of all, let's have a look at a traditional Chinese date. What is it like? Here we have such a date, and it reads康熙23年岁在甲子. If we quickly translate it with the machine translation, we will see approximately that it is the 23rd year, 23年, of the Kangxi period, Kangxi, in the Jiazi year, Jiazi. So what is what here? Kangxi is the era name or a reign motto. You can read about it more here on Wiki. And 23年, just the number of the year in this era. And then 甲子, these are two terms from the 60-year cycle. You can read more about it here. I'll put all the links in the description of the video. And now, how to make it out what Western year that is? Well, the very straightforward way is to find some kind of these tables on the internet. I just saved them all in a Word file. For Kangxi era, I will go to the 23rd year, or I'll just search this file for Jiazi, and I'll find that it is 1684. But now let's see how this simple task can be solved with an online tool. This tool comes from Academia Sinica, and I use it usually to convert a Chinese date, Zhongli, to the Western calendar. So for our Kangxi period, we first choose the dynasty. It is the Qing dynasty. Then here we choose Kangxi. And here I just type on my keyboard 23, the 23rd year, and then I press the button Zhixing. And basically here on the top, I see that it is the Qing dynasty, the Kangxi reign period, the 23rd year, and it corresponds to, well, the 15th of February, 1684 to the 2nd of February, 1685. But usually if I don't need that big rate of precision, I will just write 1684. And in my paper, I did it like this. So I'll just write that in the preface of this earlier version, dated 1684, well, something is written. And so I just put the year 1684, and in the footnote here, I say the 23rd year of the Kangxi period. So, well, that we know it's not exactly 1684, all right? It's a little bit of 1685 as well. But okay, what happens if we don't have the number 23? If we only have Kangxi and Jiazi? We can also do it with the converter. I remove the 23 here, and here I press this little arrow, and from the drop-down list, I can choose, well, from all the 60 combinations of the cyclical terms that there are. And luckily, Jiazi stands at the top, so I just press Jiazi and Zhixing again. And well, of course, I get the same year, 1684, because it was the same year. Well, this was a simple one, and we could even do it with that table in the Word file that I had. But what if we have something more, not just the year, but also the exact date? Here we will need the tool. Here is the example of such thing. So it is Kangxi 38年4月初8日. So we have the year, the 38th year of the Kangxi period. We have the month, the 4th month, and the day, the 8th day of lunar calendar. So we can now go here. Unfortunately, I can't remove the Jiazi, so I'll have to press the Qingkong button that will remove everything. I'll need to start from the beginning. So I put the Qing dynasty here, then I put the Kangxi here. And now I have the 38th year, the 4th month, and the 8th day. And again, I press the button Zhixing. Zhixing, here on the top, I actually see my 38th year, 4th month, 8th day, and I see the result. So in the Western calendar, it is 1699. and then it is May and the 7th of May. Well, down here, they also have this kind of big calendar for the whole year. So it's again the 7th of May. So you kind of go back to find out which month it is, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3rd, 2nd, 1st of May, right? And the year is 1699. So it is the same as here on the top, actually. And in the paper, you can see that, well, I mentioned there's something, this inscription is dated May 7, 1699, and in the footnote, I indicate that it is the 8th day of the 4th month of the 30th year of the Kangxi period. So yes, that's basically it. You can now convert the dates, and I hope you find this tool useful. So thank you for watching this video.